Assalamu alaikum. This is Mehreen Naz, and this video I am going to discuss about the 3 days advanced course, Mastering the Essentials of Pharmacy Practice. And this 3 days advanced course is going to be conducted through Pharmacy Mentorship Platform, and they gave me an honor to me as a mentor in this 3 days advanced course. So, what we are going to discuss in this 3 day session. On the first day of the session, we will have detailed discussion on pharmacy workflow essentials, core practices in hospital and clinical pharmacy, drug procurement and storage procedures, what is local purchase, what is bulk purchase. We will have complete discussion on inventory management, management of cold chain items, expiry tracking, how to prepare for audit, as well as we will discuss about the prescription review. That prescription review is in practice, what pharmacists are going to do with the prescriptions, what pharmacists analyze in prescriptions, how to correct prescriptions, how to report. Pharmacists work up of drug therapy on portals, what are the reporting systems, what is the pharmacist's proactive role in hospital and as a clinical pharmacist. On the second day of the session, we will discuss about the medication safety and handling, narcotics and control items, what is the importance, what are the storage procedures, what are the documentation protocols, what are the double check systems, how to secure handling of narcotics and control items, what are the lasa medicines, look alike, sound alike, what are the high alert medications, what are the high alert strategies to prevent medication errors, labeling, separation, and what are other strategies that can be utilized to prevent medication errors, and what is the role of pharmacist, what is the proactive role of pharmacist in this scenario. On the third day of the session, we will have complete discussion on red flag scenarios and risk prevention. We will discuss about the drugs with narrow therapeutic index, the drugs that can cause drug interactions, drug interactions, drug disease interactions, contraindications, polypharmacy, black box warnings. We will discuss about the adverse drug reactions, how to report adverse drug reactions, how to prevent adverse drug reactions, what are the management protocols. All these scenarios will be discussed, as well as the case based discussions will also be there. What could have done to prevent the medication errors, to ensure the medication safety, what is the role of pharmacist in it. All these scenarios, all these topics will be discussed in this 3 days advanced course. And we will have interactive session, as well as we will have quiz after this 3 day session to ensure your understanding. And at the end of the session, certificates will also be awarded to you. So must join the session, must enroll yourself and be a part of the session. Inshallah, we will have interactive discussion. Best of luck. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.